Gonna put the finishing touches on this match.
Ali Rollins, RKO! Rollins with a stop to Lesnar! Roman Reigns. Oh, RKO by Orton! Once again! RKO! Top boot up.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Doing, I can see one flaw in Carlito's.